Hi, my name's Dan Giorgetti. I'm the National Technical Training Manager for CEA, which is Construction Equipment Australia. So we have 5 major OEMs, which is JCB, Ditch Witch, Comtech, Atlas Copco, and Dynapack. We are service provider. We basically maintain, sell all those products to customers, be it big or small. We have a fleet of mechanics, technicians, electricians, auto electricians that will take care of this equipment. The majority of the apprentices are going to be mobile plant. Pretty well going to be working on anything that's within the construction industry, light earth moving, and even up to large earth moving, which involves anything that goes onto a mine site, construction site, that sort of thing. So you're going to be working on hydraulics, engines, electrical, transmissions, all sorts. Pretty well anything from the front to the rear of a machine, you're going to be putting your hands on it. First off, we'll get together, do some basic training. Straight off the bat, we'll give you all the information you need to see out your 4 years. That's a training session carried out by myself. I'll travel around to each location and do that face to face. Well, we've set a group of benchmarks. As you progress, we can sort of see where you are. Obviously starting off lighter, the more simpler sides of the business, and getting more complex as it goes further down the track. Majority of your work will be done within the workshop at CEA branches. We do have field service, and part of what the benchmarks we have set up is sending the apprentices out with the qualified techs so they get on-site experience, which is a completely different skill set you need to learn. You deal with customers, and then there will be classroom based. They will have tape that you'll do throughout that 4-year apprenticeship. The program CEA's put in place is a standalone program that we're just adding on to your learning because we want to get the best out of you, which is going to be classroom based but hands-on as well. We've got some upcoming training at the moment, which is an engine set up on a stand. We'll get you to diagnose, get hands-on, pull things apart, that sort of thing. So a mixture of classroom and hands-on training. Pretty well anyone can get into the industry, the mobile plant industry. You definitely need to have a passion for getting dirty, for crawling around in the ground, getting into tight spots, but you need to have that passion, I believe, in this industry, and it doesn't matter who you are, what your background. I myself came around from tinkering with my car from a very early age. I love doing it, which sort of sent me in this direction. But then we've had apprentices that just really interested. They haven't really had any background, but as long as you got the right attitude, we can teach you the skills. I think the benefit of working for a company like this is the skills you get is learning that it doesn't matter what brand the machine is, what color it is, anything like that, what model, providing we can teach you the fundamentals and provide you the information, you can work on any of these machines. There is career potential in this industry. You're not going to be stuck fixing, swinging spanners every single day if you have the drive to turn it into something great. The top 3 skills I believe you need in the industry. You need the right attitude. You can definitely teach someone skill, providing they have the attitude to learn, towards learning. I think flexibility is a big one. With what we do, it's not a 9-to-5 job. It's a knock off when the job's done type career. So keep in mind flexibility is important. The third one would be accountability. You're only going to get out what you put in. So being accountable for your learning, pushing yourself to learn is what's going to make you great at the end.